Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency? It's a realm where finance meets cutting-edge technology. Imagine a whole new universe of finance, with its own set of rules and endless possibilities. It's like discovering a new planet with its own unique ecosystem. Don't worry if you're new to this. Everyone starts somewhere, and we're here to make sure you understand every step of the way. We'll break down the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in a way that's easy to understand. Think of it as learning a new language, but one that could change your financial future. Think of this as your crash course on everything from Bitcoin to blockchain. We'll dive into the history, the technology, and the potential of these digital assets. We'll cover what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's causing such a stir in the financial world. From decentralized finance to smart contracts, there's so much to explore. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp on this revolutionary technology and its potential impact on the future. You'll be able to make informed decisions and maybe even start investing. So, buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on a journey that's as thrilling as a space mission. Let's embark on this exciting journey into the cosmos of cryptocurrency. We'll explore the stars of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. Get ready to have your mind blown. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and full of surprises. Let's dive in and discover what the future holds. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, it's digital money. Think of it like the digital tokens you use in a video game, but with real-world value. The crypto part comes from cryptography, which is a fancy way of saying secure encryption. This encryption is what makes cryptocurrency transactions safe and secure. Now, here's what makes it truly revolutionary. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrency operates on a global network of computers. No single entity controls it. This means no central banks, no government regulations, and no intermediaries like banks. It's the people's money, controlled by the people. Pretty cool, right? So how do cryptocurrency transactions actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're sending Bitcoin to a friend. You open your cryptocurrency wallet app, enter your friend's wallet address, and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. With a simple press of the send button, your transaction is initiated. This transaction is then recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a decentralized database that keeps a record of all transactions. We'll dive into the intricacies of the blockchain later, but for now, think of it as a digital ledger that everyone can see. Think of the blockchain as a giant digital book where every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple computers on the network. These computers, often referred to as nodes, work together to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the transaction data. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's permanent and can't be altered. This immutability is one of the key features that make blockchain technology so revolutionary. This system offers several advantages. First, it's incredibly secure. The decentralized nature of the blockchain means that there is no single point of failure, making it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise the system. Hacking the blockchain is nearly impossible because you'd have to hack millions of computers simultaneously. This level of security is unparalleled in traditional financial systems. Second, it's transparent. Anyone can view the transaction history on the blockchain, ensuring accountability. This transparency allows for greater trust among users, as everyone can verify the transactions for themselves. Finally, it's efficient. Transactions happen directly between users without the need for intermediaries, which can speed up the process and reduce fees. Traditional financial systems often involve multiple intermediaries, each taking a cut and slowing down the transaction. With cryptocurrency, the process is streamlined, making it faster and more cost-effective. Additionally, cryptocurrency transactions are borderless. You can send and receive funds from anywhere in the world without worrying about exchange rates or international transfer fees. This makes cryptocurrencies particularly useful for global commerce and remittances. Moreover, converting cryptocurrencies to local currencies is becoming increasingly easier with the advent of cryptocurrency ATMs and various online platforms. This ease of conversion adds another layer of convenience for users. As we move towards a future with widespread cryptocurrency adoption, understanding how these transactions work is crucial. The magic of cryptocurrency transactions lies in their security, transparency, efficiency, and global reach. It's a fascinating world that's just beginning to unfold. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009. It was a revolutionary idea, introducing the concept of decentralized digital currency to the world. Bitcoin's creation marked the beginning of a new era in finance, one that operates outside the control of traditional banks and governments. But just like our universe has countless stars and galaxies, the crypto world is teeming with different cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique characteristics and purpose. From privacy-focused coins to those aiming to revolutionize supply chain management, the variety is staggering. Each cryptocurrency brings something different to the table, contributing to a rich and diverse ecosystem. You've got Ethereum, known for its smart contract capabilities. It's not just a currency, but a platform for decentralized applications, enabling developers to build and deploy their own blockchain-based projects. Litecoin, designed for faster transactions. It was created to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offering quicker transaction times and a different hashing algorithm. And Ripple, focusing on cross-border payments. Ripple aims to facilitate instant, low-cost international money transfers, making it a favorite among financial institutions. And then there are thousands more, each trying to solve a particular problem or improve upon existing technologies. From privacy coins like Monero and Zcash to utility tokens like Chainlink and VeChain, the possibilities are endless. This diversity is what makes the cryptocurrency space so dynamic and exciting. The constant innovation and competition drive the industry forward, leading to new breakthroughs and applications that were previously unimaginable. It's constantly evolving, with new projects and innovations popping up all the time. From decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the landscape is always changing, offering new opportunities and challenges. It's like the Wild West of finance, full of opportunity and potential. The rapid pace of development and the sheer number of projects make it an exciting space to watch, as the future of finance continues to unfold before our eyes. Now, let's talk about the technology that makes all this possible. Blockchain. If cryptocurrency is the spaceship, blockchain is the engine room. It's the underlying technology that powers cryptocurrency and ensures its security and transparency. Imagine the blockchain as a chain of blocks, where each block contains a record of multiple transactions. These blocks are linked together chronologically and cryptographically, meaning they're incredibly difficult to tamper with. Once a block is added to the chain, it's there forever. This immutability is what makes blockchain so secure. It's like a digital record that's tamper-proof and always accessible. Two key advantages of blockchain are its transparency and security. Because all transactions are recorded on a public ledger, anyone can view them. This transparency promotes accountability and trust. On the security front, blockchain's decentralized nature and cryptographic hashing make it incredibly difficult to hack. To alter a transaction, you'd have to hack the entire network, which is practically impossible. This combination of transparency and security is what makes blockchain so revolutionary. It has the potential to transform not just finance, but a wide range of industries, from supply chain management to healthcare. Cryptocurrency challenges our traditional ideas about money and value. It introduces the concept of digital scarcity, meaning there's a limited amount of certain cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin. This scarcity can give digital currency value, much like gold. As more people start using cryptocurrency, it could change how we save, invest, and spend money in the future. If you're curious about cryptocurrency or have questions about blockchain, drop them in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and learn together. Today we covered the basics of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and blockchain. We learned that cryptocurrency is digital money. Blockchain is the secure system that powers it, and together, they're creating new possibilities in finance. Cryptocurrency isn't just a fad. It's a technology that could reshape the future of money as we know it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos in this series. Let's dive into this journey together.